In this video, we will learn how to download and install Filmora Martial Arts Effects Pack for free. I will give the link in the description below. Now you should like us the Facebook page and download the effects pack. Now go to filmora.wondershare.com effects store. Click the link to download button. Like Facebook page and come back Filmora website. Click the red button to download. Install the software. And check the effects what you installed. And enjoy the Filmora. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.